Kenya.
I'm the daughter.
I am the mother. And today we are going to open my Cpap supplies. I usually get a box of supplies every 90 days. They contact me to see if I need more supplies. And if you use your Cpap as often as I use mine, which is every single night, and for those of you who don't know what a Cpap is, it is a breathing machine that helps you sleep at night. And it's good for heart patients and other people with sleep apnea. To make sure you get your supplies as often as you use it. Let's see what I have. I remember they contacted me and said, do you need this? Yes, I do. Every single time I do. Because I use it every single
day.
All right.
Very important.
And when I open this up, I'm going to see how much my daughter knows about the supplies because she helps me keep my machine clean and everything else.
I try. What if I get something wrong?
Then you're going to get a spanking.
Okay.
All right. So
I'm going to try to get them wrong.
I got that don't sound right. I got a few of these little thingies. What are these called?
These are called...
Wait, quit looking at it.
I definitely don't know what these are called, but I'm going to guess. Some filtered little thingies.
You didn't look at the...
No, I was, but I didn't.
They are filters.
I would have never guessed. They look like stickers.
Yep, it is the filter. So I have a few of these, which I go through these so often because you have to change the filter so many times. And then, what is this thing called?
This goes around your head to keep the, so it's basically a stretchy band, I would say.
It is the headgear. You are correct. Yay, she got it. This is my headgear. I need one because my other one is extremely stretched out. Oh, okay. What is this thing? Oh, maybe I should make it closer.
That is your nasal pillows. That goes in your nose so you can breathe.
This is definitely my nasal pillow.
Yay!
Good job. Good job. I got another one.
Another nasal
pillow. Another nasal pillow.
You don't lay on it though.
I know it's not the kind that like you don't
right.
lay on.
You would think you lay on the pillows, but they're inside your nostrils.
What is this? Hold on, I have to show the people, but don't look at the back.
That is your tube to breathe through as well. It's a tube.
So this is part of my headgear. So this part here,
it's usually longer.
well, this part goes on here to cover that so it could go on my face. And then this connects to something else.
And your head.
Uh-oh. And I think you're talking about this. What is this?
That's more tubing to connect to your actual water chamber thing and your headgear. Your nostril pillows too.
Correct.
Nasal pillows.
Now, is this thing just for water or what does it do? Why does it have like a metal clip on here?
I feel like you're telling me an answer. I think because it's to help humidify your nose for water.
That's pretty good. It is my Cpap. I could turn on the humidifier, but this tube is a heated tube.
I did not know that.
You didn't? So in the wintertime, I always turn it on so it
I
gives
never
me
knew
warm
that
air.
That's cool. I didn't know
And that's
that.
why when you watch this one, I tell you cannot put this in the water because it has that metal piece in there.
Wow.
So when you wash it, you have to go doot, 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 and that metal piece has to go where it doesn't go in the water. So you have that. And then one last thing that we have in here, and let's open it up. Oh. What is
Water
this
chamber.
thing? Oh, she's excited. She knew this already.
Yeah.
This is the water chamber, so I don't want to open it.
You can either put water in it for humidifying or nothing.
That's the water chamber. And this is where the water goes. So once this goes in here, you can fill it up to the maximum. Slide it in the machine. You already have your tube connected to it. You have this part connected to it. You have your nasal pillow on. See, this is what the nasal pillow looks like once it's on.
Yep.
That's when it's off. That's when it's on. And
maybe we're going to make a video of me putting this all together.
maybe we won't.
Okay then.
We could make a video of her putting it all together, but it's already together.
I don't think we did that yet.
Well, we're
so
going
that's
to be
what I was
trying
trying
that.
to say, but she didn't want to do it.
Anywho, so here are all my CPAP supplies. And did you pass the test? Which one did you not know?
Definitely I didn't pass. There was 2 things that I'd forgotten or didn't know about.
What was that? I can't remember.
One was I didn't know that your tube is heated.
Oh.
I didn't know that it
Well,
can
you
heat
didn't
up.
know what the tube was, so
Right.
you guessed at the tube.
And then the other tube, that one,
Oh.
something I got wrong too. I didn't say it right, but I know what it is, but yeah.
Well, that was fun. So this is my CPAP supplies every 90 days. If I need them, then I can get them. I wish my insurance would pay for send me more because I use it way more than the supplies that they allow you to have. So I'm washing the nasal pillows a lot. And I'm excited to toss my old nasal pillows and replace them with my new ones. So thank you for watching us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and
Hit that notification bell so you know when the next time we post.
alrighty then, we will see you next time. Bye.